We are here at Eastwood Serious Science Camp, and we are going to dissect a pregnant rat.
No, those are the foot pads.
Oh, that's
Those aren't toes.
That's a lot of foot pads.
They have a lot of feeling in their feet. That's why they have foot pads.
It looks like their toes right on this one.
Yeah, they're not, though.
The nails are really sharp. Like, put your glove up to it.
You'll notice we're wearing safety precautions. Glasses,
Lab coats,
and gloves. The rat is preserved with the chemical formaldehyde that can irritate your skin, so that's why we have these safety precautions on.
The tools we will be using are a probe, 3 different types of scissors, and 2 different types of tweezers.
Now that we've gone over all our tools and all our safety precautions, now we can start the dissection.
I think the best way is to make a snip here.
You know what you can do? You should probably take like a tweezer.
The first thing we're doing is opening up the skin on the belly side of the rat with a large pair of scissors.
So after you cut the skin, it's gonna be stuck to the muscle. So you're gonna take the skin into your hand, and then you're gonna snip it so it's not stuck to the muscle. So once you've cut the skin off the muscle, you can peel back the skin. So you can kind of like get a good look at the muscle.
Once we peel the skin, there's a lot of formaldehyde that we need to drain.
This dissection is going to go much easier if we cut away these skin flaps.
After you peel away the skin, you're gonna cut through the muscles so you can see the inside. So I take 2 sideways cuts to peel away the muscle.
Once the muscles have been peeled away, you can see the internal organs.
Lobes of the liver. The ribs are hard. These are the intestines. And these looks like sausage casing under here. Those are the pups, and we'll get to those shortly.
These very swirly tubes are the small intestine, which you'll notice first, which are also very long. These 3 gray lobes are the rat's liver. They help detoxify the rat's blood. They work the same way as the human's liver.
This white area is part of the rat's reproductive system. Right here is the rib cage that protects her lung and heart. We're going to cut through the rib cage so we can see the heart and lung. In front of the liver, we have a small muscle that is called the diaphragm that helps with breathing. This large object is the heart, and these are the lungs. This large organ right here is the heart that pumps blood through the body, and here are the lungs that help the rat breathe.
Next, we're going to take a look at the rat's digestive system. So when the rat eats, the first place that the food goes is to its stomach. After the stomach, the food goes to the small intestine, which is very long.
Whoa.
After the small intestine comes the large intestine. Even though it's much shorter than the small intestine, it's much wider.
Each one of these egg-shaped sacs contains a rat pup. There are 13 rat pups in this long, scrabbly line. All these vessels send nutrients to the rat pups, which means that whenever the mother digests her food, it goes through these vessels to the babies.
After we took the pups out of the mother rat, we counted and there were 16 pups.
Now we're going to open up these sacs and have a look at the pups inside.
There is.
It's so cute!
So you can see the umbilical cord attached to its belly button.
Dissection is a very important scientific tool. We dissect because we would like to see the similarities and differences between humans and animals. Dissection allows us to connect form with function.